Welcome to our channel once again, my friends. Today we're going to be doing a recipe that maybe only the older folks know about, and that is plantain porridge. So for those of you who are over a certain age, grew up in this, the newer generation, I think not, maybe they had Enfamil and Enfalac and those expensive stuff, but a lot of us from the earlier days grew up with this plantain porridge. So today's recipe is going to be for that plantain porridge. We're going to show you just how to make that. For that we need some milk, some evaporated milk. You can use some mixed essence. We have almond essence today, so we're going to be using that. Plantain, of course, some water, and you're going to need a grater, of course, to grate your plantain. So having said that, let's get right into the recipe, guys. Let's get started. Plantain is something that gets your hand sticky, as you may know. So some people would rub some oil on their hands before they peel plantains. Plantain and katahar. Okay, so that's it. Our plantain is peeled. Okay. So all of these are nutritious food, guys. Ground provision, plantain, edos, cassava. Talking about that a long time, I did have some boil and fry provision. I'm gonna make that soon. So these kids that grew up on this plantain porridge are strong, durable kids. They're gonna swim upon trench, pick mango, climb the neighbor tree and thieve the dungs. Energetic. So there we go, the plantain is all grated. Okay guys, so we've brought our water to a boil. Now we're gonna add our plantain. So you're gonna add your plantains here, guys. You're gonna stir for a little bit, and then you're gonna add your evaporated milk. So after you've added your evaporated milk here, guys, we use about half the can of the milk. Now you're gonna add your essence. About 1 teaspoon. And sugar to taste. So this plantain porridge is usually a bit thick, guys. You can add a little more water if you want when you're finished See how thick it is if you want it a bit more thin. But what they usually do is they would make the bottle nipples a little bigger so that a little chunks of plantain can pass through. Okay guys, so if you were wondering if you can use cow's milk, yes you can, because back in the days that's what they use generally for making this kind of stuff in Guyana, cow's milk, because that was more available more than any other milk, and cheaper of course. You could also use any other milk, 2% milk and whatever you have, okay, that's not a problem. And that's it there guys, that's our plantain porridge. That's how you make it healthy. If you like this recipe guys, please remember to give it a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed, please do. Please share this video also, and as always, thanks for watching. Take care. Bye.